Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new under-counter refrigerators. Now this is going to be a 36-inch, two-door under-counter refrigerator. Brand on the unit's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements for this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. Now starting with the length, as we mentioned, it is going to be 36 inches of the length. From front to back, you're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height will be 35.5 inches high. Okay, so that's going to be the exterior measurements. Now I want to go ahead and open up these doors and show you the inside. On the inside, we'll be able to locate shelving for the unit. You have two shelves, one for each side here. Also, you have a thermometer on the right hand side. Manual will be included. And on the left hand side, we have stickers with circuit diagram, certifications, and all the specs for this unit. Okay, so that's all located on the inside sticker. Okay, now I want to go ahead and give you the overall inside measurements. From front to back, you're looking at 17.5 inches. Left to right will be a total of 33 inches. And the overall height on the inside, we're going to be looking at a total of 23 inches. Okay, so 23 height on the inside. Now, lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. Okay, so it is a standard US plug located on the back. Also in the back, we have our controller for the temperature. Okay, so this is where temperature will be showing once the unit is on and running. Also, we can set our temperature on that same controller. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 36-inch under-counter refrigerator unit. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepoutusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.